Die Arrowhead Linden playing. Who's this? Who's this?
Wild.
Take a guess.
Ek sal sê dit lyk vir my soos Bismarck.
Bismarck wie?
Du Plessis.
Bismarck Du Plessis.
Ja, of nee, ek weet nie.
Final guess?
Ek sal by Bismarck kyk.
Who's this?
I don't know. Ek weet regtig nie.
Who's this?
I don't know.
Take a guess.
Pieter van der Merwe.
The famous Springbok Pieter van der Merwe. Who's that?
Jo, meneer, nee.
2006 World Cup winning Springbok.
Yes, meneer.
A few moments later.
Meneer, ek weet nie.
Take a guess. Wild guess.
So, is nie, ek weet nie meer.
Who's this?
Danny de Sou. Wat is Danny de Sou?